Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can create an Instagram reel in Canva. So this video is going to be very straightforward and easy. So let's just jump into it. First up, you need to open up Canva, and obviously you need to sign in into your account. So right over here in templates, it's very easy to create Instagram reels now on Canva. You just need to type in Instagram reels in topics section, and then you will find it. Just simply press on that, and then you can just choose for mobile category, and then the style, whatever type of style you'd like to do. So right over here you can see many types of templates that you can use for Instagram reels. So what we're gonna do is just choose any reel. So right over here, some of them are for premium, so just make sure to check that out. If there's no premium, like this one right over here, you can just choose it, and then you'll see the option of customize this template. Just go ahead and press on that. Once you do that, here as you can see, you got the whole thing by yourself, and the audio as well, also the video. So you can just tap on the editing section right over here. So in the editing, you can literally move it and type whatever you would like to type, whatever customization that you would like to do. And you can also use AI for your ideal design, like describing, and then styles right over here. You can choose different kind of styles over here, okay? And then what you can do is just pretty much do a lot of customizations with it. So you want to increase the picture right over here, you can just increase the picture. And yeah, so like, and what else you can do is just go to this elements section right over here. You can add frame, shape, and generate even images, and you can even add shapes to it. But if you want to upload something from your PC directly to it, and you want to add it, let's say you want to add this picture to it directly, you can add the picture directly into the video right over here like this. So I'm just showing it for the video purpose. Obviously I'm not gonna do that, but right over here as you can see, I used the picture, and yeah, you can
something grand.
The video is playing, and you can also add music into it, your type of music, whatever you'd like to add. So you're pretty much open to customization. If you want to delete any type of music, you can just simply press on delete track option, and this will be deleted. And if you don't like something in the video, you can simply delete that by just pressing on the trash icon, and here as you can see, it's deleted. And you can pretty much add more stuff into it like this, and you can, it's pretty easy to edit stuff into it. So yeah, and you can add your own text obviously. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.